If you could only keep one social media app, which would it be? First, let's count down the top 4 social media apps of 2026. Number 4, this app has over 1 billion downloads and there's a reason millions open it every single day. We are talking about TikTok with a 4.3 star rating, more than 6 to 6 million reviews, and a massive global community of creators and viewers. What makes TikTok stand out? It all starts with its personalized For You feed. The more you watch, like, and interact, the better it gets at recommending videos you'll actually enjoy. Whether you're into sports, cooking, travel, gaming, fitness, comedy, or learning quick life hacks, there's always something new waiting for you. And if creating content is your thing, TikTok makes it surprisingly easy. You can record multiple clips, trim and edit videos, add transitions, filters, visual effects, and trending sounds all from inside the app. Plus, you can join challenges, share your creativity, or even live stream to connect with your audience in real time. People love TikTok because it's fast, entertaining, and packed with content that matches their interests. Whether you're looking to laugh, learn a new skill, or express your creativity, it's designed to keep every scroll interesting. At number 3, it's Facebook, a social media giant that's still going strong. With a 4.3 star rating, 176 million reviews, and over 10 billion downloads, Facebook offers much more than a place to post updates. You can discover amazing deals on Marketplace, join communities that match your interests, enjoy personalized reels, and stay connected with friends through messaging and video calls. It also gives creators powerful tools to make reels, share stories, and customize their profiles, making it easy to express yourself however you want. No wonder millions of people still open Facebook every single day. But is it the best social media app of 2026? Stay tuned to see which apps rank even higher. Number 2. Think you already know Instagram? Think again. This app keeps evolving, and that's exactly why it's still one of the biggest social platforms in the world. With an impressive 4.4 star rating, over 162 million reviews, and more than 5 billion downloads, Instagram continues to dominate social media. You can share quick updates with stories, chat with close friends, post your favorite moments, or create eye-catching reels that can reach millions of people. But wait, there's more. The Explore page learns what you enjoy and keeps serving fresh content you'll actually want to watch. And this is where it gets crazy. Instagram isn't just for sharing photos anymore. It's also a place to discover creators, follow trends, shop from brands, and even grow your own audience. Whether you're staying connected with friends or building a personal brand, it's easy to see why Instagram remains one of the most popular apps worldwide. Would you use this daily? Finally, the number 1, we've got an app that almost everyone has installed, but most people still aren't using its best features. YouTube has over 10 billion downloads, a 4.2 star rating, and around 159 million reviews, making it one of the biggest apps on the planet. But wait, there's more. It's not just a place to watch funny clips or music videos anymore. You can learn new skills, catch up on breaking news, watch live sports highlights, follow your favorite creators, or even stream live events all from one app. And this is where it gets crazy. The real reason people love it is how personalized everything becomes. The more you watch, the better your recommendations get, making it easier to discover videos you'll actually enjoy. Most people miss this part. You can save videos for later, subscribe to your favorite channels, join live chats during streams, upload your own content, and even build an audience right from your phone. Want an even smoother experience? Premium lets you watch without ads, play videos in the background, and download content for offline viewing. Whether you're looking to be entertained, learn something new, or become a creator yourself, YouTube has something for almost everyone. That's our top 4. Which app would you rank number 1? Comment below and follow for more quick tech videos.